One of the most common questions a chiropractor like myself gets is, do I put bones back in place? The answer is no. That's a misnomer, a mischaracterization, a fallacy of what a chiropractor does. What a chiropractor does is affect the joints of the spine, joints that will move out of position by millimeters. After examining the patient and ascertaining whether or not it's safe to manipulate a spine, can I zoom in? We will address joint movement. When I say joint movement, we're talking about facet joints where one vertebrae attaches to another. This is where the action is. And when there's a misalignment, when there is a vertebrae that is out of position by millimeters, it'll put an undue amount of traction or tension on the ligaments that are tying these joints together, which irritates nerve endings, which are very sensitive, which will have a reflexogenic effect on the muscles. So now you have tight joints, muscular spasm, and this is what a chiropractor will address. After addressing this, we can use heat, we can use massage, we could use ice, depending what the individual needs. After we've made the correction with the adjustment and the manipulation, we're going to talk about some flexibility work, possibly some strength work that I'll be able to help you with, but we'll do that when you come in and see me. Until then, you can find my information out on my website at jimmyschiropractic.com, and if it's pricing that you're worried about, as we say back in New York, you can forget about it. The first one is on me. We'll take it from there, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.